Okay, folks, get ready to dive into some really interesting stuff today.
Oh, yeah.
Thailand's real estate market.
It's
We've got
a hot one right now.
we've got some really cool info here on emerging trends. And
Yes, some pretty big changes.
yeah, like, you know what I was thinking about this
Okay.
before we started talking about this?
All right.
Like when we think of real estate booms, like we think of,
Yeah.
Miami in the 80s,
Right. Or Dubai.
Dubai. Yeah, exactly.
Kind of those big flashy places.
I
Yeah.
don't know why Thailand never came to my mind as being like a hot spot.
Well,
It really is.
I think it's been kind of under the radar for a while,
Yeah.
but it's really starting to heat up and attract a lot of attention now.
Yeah, well, let's talk about this branded residence thing first, because I had no idea that Thailand was
Yeah.
like at the forefront of this trend.
Yeah, leading Asia, actually.
Yeah, 106 billion
That's a massive market.
back
Crazy.
in properties. Is that what it is?
That's right. Yeah, 106 billion Thai baht worth of branded residences.
I mean, we're talking like Porsche designed condos. Like,
yeah.
what is
Yeah.
going on over there?
It's like luxury on steroids, right? I mean, you've got these iconic brands
Yeah.
partnering with developers to create these super high-end living spaces.
Is this?
And
It's
Wonderful.
interesting. Local buyers, or is it?
it's well, that's where it gets a little bit interesting, actually.
Okay.
So domestic credit is tightening a little bit in Thailand, so
Okay.
it's becoming a bit tougher for local buyers to get mortgages.
Uh,
So developers are kind of shifting their focus
Foreign buyers.
to foreign buyers. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
High net worth individuals from overseas who are looking for, a piece of paradise.
Right.
And they're drawn to these big global brands.
Okay. So that $33,000 per square meter condo in the Porsche Design Tower in Bangkok.
Yeah,
Like, who's buying that?
that's the top end, right?
Yeah.
I mean, that's a serious statement piece. I
Yes.
mean, you're buying into a lifestyle.
More than anything.
Way more than just an apartment.
Yeah.
You're buying into a network, a community, a whole experience.
But it does make you wonder about sustainability and this kind of. I mean, I know that they're incorporating some green features and stuff,
Yeah.
but at the end of the day, it is still a massive luxury development.
Yeah. There's definitely that tension, right, between
Yeah.
this high-end luxury and the environmental impact.
So how do we even begin to
Well,
reconcile that?
It's a big question, and I
Yeah.
think developers are starting to be more aware of it
Okay.
and incorporate sustainable practices, energy efficiency, green building materials, those kinds of things.
All right. Well, let's shift gears a little bit
Sure.
and talk about something that I think is going to impact just about everyone listening.
Right.
This EV revolution.
Yeah. Huge.
I mean, Thailand wants to be the EV hub of Southeast Asia by 2030. And
Ambitious goal.
I mean, that's ambitious, but they are taking some serious steps
All
to
right.
make it happen.
Big investments
Yeah,
in
yeah.
battery production, charging infrastructure, the whole 9 yards.
And a $6.5 billion commercial real estate market.
Right. Think about all the
It's what?
supporting industries that need to spring up around EV manufacturing.
Warehouses.
Warehouses,
Yeah.
logistics centers,
Showrooms. All that stuff.
charging stations.
Charging stations everywhere.
Yeah, I mean,
Residential, commercial, you name it.
this isn't just about buying a Tesla factory anymore. Like,
No, it's way bigger than that.
how does this impact me as a regular investor or
So think about it this way.
home buyer?
You're looking at a condo in Bangkok, right?
Okay.
More EVs on the road means more demand for charging stations in residential buildings.
Okay.
So developers are starting to include those as standard amenities.
So it adds value
Exactly.
to the property.
It makes it more appealing to buyers.
Right. And it's a good thing for the environment too, right?
Yeah, so it's kind of like
Win-win.
can't really lose
Yeah.
if you're
I think
thinking
we looking long term.
long term.
This is a good trend to be ahead of.
Okay, but now I want to talk about prop tech.
Okay.
Because
that's the really cool stuff.
I'm not going to lie, this sounds like
Yeah.
Star Trek to me. Like,
Yeah, it's futuristic, but it's here now.
Yeah.
It's happening.
so what is it?
So basically, it's using technology to make the whole real estate experience better,
Okay,
more efficient, more transparent,
so less time
less time waste.
sitting in traffic in Bangkok.
Exactly.
More time
On the beach.
enjoying the beach.
Right.
Okay, so like what kind of things are we talking about?
So for example, there's data matching technology.
Okay,
So imagine you're looking for a condo.
right,
You plug in your criteria, location, budget, amenities, all that stuff.
right.
And the algorithm finds you the perfect matches.
So no more endlessly
No more scrolling through endless listings.
So cool.
No more dealing with pushy agents.
Okay.
Just the information you need.
I like this already.
Right. And then there are virtual tours.
Oh, yeah.
So you can view properties remotely.
So no more jet lag just to go see an apartment.
Exactly. You can check out properties from anywhere in the world.
That's amazing.
Saves you time, saves you money.
Okay.
And it also makes things more secure.
Okay.
So you've got e-signatures for documents,
Okay.
online transaction platforms, secured digital escrow services.
So it's more transparent, too.
Absolutely. Everything's tracked digitally.
So you know what you're getting into.
Yeah, peace of mind.
Okay, well, let's not forget about the luxury living side of things, because we did talk about those $33,000 condos.
Yeah. The high life.
This Riviera Malibu residences
Oh, wow. Yeah.
in Pattaya sounds pretty dreamy.
That's a prime example of this new kind of luxury that's emerging.
So it's not just about gold faucets anymore.
No, it's about quality of life. It's about creating spaces that enhance your well-being. Like, so think private gardens,
Yeah.
rooftop pools, wellness centers,
Oh, hey.
all integrated into the living experience.
I'm picturing this, right?
Yeah.
You wake up in your luxury condo.
Yeah.
You step out onto your private balcony. You're overlooking the ocean.
Beautiful.
You head downstairs for a yoga class overlooking a tropical garden.
Sounds pretty good, right?
It's about a lifestyle.
It is. It's a complete package.
More than a property.
Exactly. And that's what people are looking for, that escape, that sanctuary.
If you're thinking about Thailand
Yeah.
as a real estate destination.
It's a hot market, but it's important to understand these trends.
Yeah.
And make smart decisions.
So do your research.
Absolutely.
Think long term.
And don't be afraid to embrace the new.
All right, well, that's about all the time we have for today's deep dive.
Great discussion.
But as always, we want to leave you with something to think about.
Okay.
All this innovation, all this development, it's exciting.
Yeah, it is.
But it also raises questions about sustainability.
Right.
Can Thailand balance this growth
Yeah.
with protecting its natural beauty?
Big challenge.
Can it become a model for eco-friendly luxury living?
That's the question.
That's the million-dollar question.
Yeah.
So what do you think? Let us know in the comments.
We'd love to hear your thoughts.
Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks, everyone.
We'll see you next time.
See you later.